Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and disconnect Monopoly Go from Apple ID. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is you're simply gonna go ahead first access your Monopoly Go on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? So here in this section, you're gonna tap on this three horizontal line that is given on top right corner of the section, and you will access this kind of interface. If you go to this option of settings, you will find this kind of interface which includes this option of connect account. Simply gonna go ahead, tap on this connect account option, and then afterwards you're gonna find this three option which includes play with friends and this Apple ID and play with contacts, right? So as you can see, if you have connected your account with Apple ID of yours, you're gonna find this disconnect option on just top here. Instead of a play with friends or connect, you're gonna tap on this disconnect option again to confirm it, as it will give you another notification. Once you are done so, you will be able to disconnect your particular Monopoly Go account with your Apple ID likewise. So this is the simply way for you to do so. Again, if you would like to connect, you can come back, tap on it, and you're done. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.